Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the AdSense ads.txt file issue for Blogger blogs. If you are a blogger and have recently received a notification from Google AdSense regarding this issue, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to fix the AdSense ads.txt file issue in Blogger blog. Download the ads.txt file contents at your AdSense dashboard. The next step is to locate the ads.txt file in your Blogger blog. To do this, log into your Blogger account and go to the Settings menu. From there, click on Search Preferences and scroll down to the Monetization section. Here, you should see an option to edit your ads.txt file. Now copy and paste the ads.txt file contents downloaded earlier. Now click on Save. If all goes well, your ads.txt file issue should be fixed as soon as AdSense web crawlers detect this. It may take some time for these changes to take place at your AdSense dashboard. Congratulations, you have now fixed the AdSense ads.txt file issue in your Blogger blog. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.